Oatmeal and bananas, a simple yet powerful combination that can help you shed those extra pounds. This dynamic duo is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that can aid in weight loss. Let's start with oatmeal. This whole grain is a great source of fiber, which helps you feel full and satisfied for longer periods of time. It also contains beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that has been shown to reduce cholesterol levels and promote a healthy heart. Oatmeal is also low in calories and fat, making it a great choice for those looking to lose weight. Now, let's talk about bananas. This fruit is not only convenient and portable but also incredibly nutritious. Bananas are a great source of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and maintain proper muscle function. They also contain fiber, which aids in digestion and helps you feel full. Bananas are low in calories and fat, making them a perfect snack for those trying to slim down. When you combine oatmeal and bananas, you get a winning breakfast combination that can help you reach your weight loss goals. Oatmeal provides the fiber and nutrients your body needs to stay full and energized, while bananas add a touch of sweetness and additional nutrients to keep you satisfied. By incorporating oatmeal and bananas into your breakfast routine, you can kickstart your metabolism and set yourself up for a successful day of healthy eating. This powerful combination can help you lose weight by keeping you full, satisfied, and energized throughout the day. So, next time you're looking for a healthy and delicious breakfast option, reach for oatmeal and bananas. Not only will you enjoy a tasty meal, but you'll also be taking a step towards achieving your weight loss goals. With dedication and consistency, you can see results in as little as a week. So why wait? Start your day off right with oatmeal and bananas and watch the pounds melt away.